our final players to our rough-in party is the heat and air team. Not a lot to think about there as far as accessibility. In this home, prior to the renovation, all the ductwork was underground, and so that meant floor vents, which is not a deal killer if you're thinking about turning your vacation rental into an accessible home. If you've got floor grates, don't think you're out of this game. But this little yellow house is meant to be the gold standard of America, and so we took this opportunity to go ahead and take the ductwork up into the attic, and so there will be no floor grates. So you can see all that shiny new ductwork in the attic. So just a small thing. If you're doing new construction, just go ahead and put that up in the attic.